Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm going to show you how Reference Ninja works. So first, just so you know what we're actually dealing with, these are in-text citations. So you've got ones where the author's name is kind of built into the sentence itself, and then ones where the author and year are both inside the brackets at the end. And if there are loads of authors, you'd just write the first one and then et al., which basically just means and everyone else. Okay, so back to the main screen. So I've got my essay here, and I'm going to upload it now. So I'll just drag it in there, and then I'll hit Extract Citations. So what's happening now is Reference Ninja is going through my whole document and pulling out every single in-text citation. Okay, so this little guide has popped up. Basically, it's just telling me that I can click on any of these citation rows to open up more details over in this side panel. So from there, I can edit stuff, or later on, I can pick a different reference if I want to. And where you've got more than one citation with the same author and year, Reference Ninja might group those together, unless you've already told them apart with like a little letter after the year. You know, like 2004A, 2004B. And these little symbols here are for splitting citation out of a group or merging them back together. And then this button here, Find References, that's the one we'll press when we're ready for Reference Ninja to actually go and find everything. So these are all my citations from this essay. Let me click on this one to open it up in the side panel. So this is the Abacoff et al. Paper from 2004. And you can see here the actual sentence from my essay where I cited it, which is pretty cool. Now, if you already know the title of the paper, or even just some words from the title, you can add them in here. It just gives the AI a bit of a head start. But honestly, don't worry if you don't know it. It's completely optional. Same with the author's first name. You can add it if you know it, you don't have to. And if you think you might have got an author wrong in your document, you can add more authors here too. And down here, you can tweak the year if you need to. And you can even tell it what type of publication it is, like a journal article, or a book, or whatever. As you can see, it's got access to all sorts. Okay, so this all looks good to me. So I'm going to hit Find References and see what comes back. So honestly, this is the bit I think is pretty cool. Reference Ninja is now going through databases with literally millions of journals and books, and then running everything through its algorithms to figure out the best match for each citation. Like it's doing in seconds what would take you ages to do manually. And here we go. First results are coming through. So you can see the titles appearing here on the main page. And if I click on one, you get all the details. So up here at the top, this is the reference that Reference Ninja has matched to my citation. And I know from my essay that, yeah, this is the right paper. It's already formatted in APA 7th, which is the default on my account. But you can change that whenever you want. You've got the DOI here as well. And if I click on that, it takes me straight to the official page for the journal paper. If you do want to switch the referencing style, just click here and pick whichever one you need. It'll update automatically. Then down here, you've got the source sentence from my essay again. And then below that, there's a full breakdown of what the AI actually did, like its reasoning for picking this reference, and a confidence score. So this one came back at 95%, which is, yeah, that's pretty high. I'm happy with that. And then down here, you've got other options. So these are other potential matches that Reference Ninja found, usually with the same or a lower confidence score. You can hit Use This on any of them to swap it out. It's worth having a look through here sometimes, especially if your author has published a few things in the same year. You can also see these little labels that explain why some of them aren't quite right, like if it's flagging the wrong year, stuff like that. And if I want to look at another citation, I just click on it over here on the main panel. And there it is. So I'm just going to quickly go through the rest of these. And yeah, I know the papers in this essay, and honestly, these all look spot on. Okay, so I'm happy with everything. So I'm going to click Generate Document to download the reference list as a Word document. So this box has come up where I can customize how I want it to look. I can change the referencing style, the font size, line spacing, hanging indent. It's all there. This all looks good to me, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Generate Document. And there it is, downloaded. Let me open it up. And yeah, there's the references section, right there in Microsoft Word. And it looks really good, actually. And that's genuinely it. Like, that's the whole thing. If you ever need to go back in and make changes, edit a reference, amend something, you can do all of that from the My Lists page. And you can re-download the Word document from there as many times as you need. So that's Reference Ninja. You can check it out for free at reference-ninja.com.